Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change map in Mobile Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Mobile Legends application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, from the main home page, you'll be able to see the map theme that you've selected. Simply tap on the next icon right next to your theme and you'll be able to see that the map theme has now changed. Simply go ahead and select the custom button. Now click on the map you'd like to use and tap on start game. That is how you'll be able to change map in Mobile Legends. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.